The last 18 months have changed how chiropractors market their practices forever. Many doctors could not do lunch and learn presentations, dinner with the doctor talks, corporate wellness lectures, even screenings anymore. And even the doctors that were trying to do internal lectures were faced with resistance because some patients did not want to come in for an in-person live lecture. Unfortunately, many doctors have lost revenue and the chance to impact people's lives. Now, I'm sure you heard this before, where there is a challenge, there is also an opportunity. Because so many people are working remotely and meeting online, it created a massive opportunity for doctors. What is the opportunity? It's very simple. Speaking online. Many doctors right now are acquiring new patients doing virtual lunch and learns. Many doctors right now are getting new patients, new referrals doing patient orientation classes online. And many doctors right now are using webinars to conduct advanced health and wellness classes. That's why I teamed up with the United Chiropractic Association to do this amazing virtual training. It's called Virtually Speaking, the 3-step system to speak online and generate more patients, referrals, and gigs. I would love to help you speak online and grow your practice. Please click on the link below so you can learn more about our training.